It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2022 Maverick XLT in Cyber Orange. It has this blue-gray cloth inside with seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 4-foot box. This has a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. It also has this nice tonneau cover, a trailer tow hitch, as well as keyless entry keypad and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This has a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, it's paired with automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. And speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat and passenger seat are manually adjusted, and your gas cap release is here, high mount light, and lighting controls. On the face of the steering wheel, you're going to see that you have your cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And when we start up the vehicle, you're going to notice that it's exceptionally quiet, and that is because this is a hybrid. So it uses the lithium-ion battery to propel and idle, and then the gas will kick in when needed. It's just a very efficient system. And so you have your different options here in your menu, and we can toggle up and down. So we were in trip 1, my view, audio, phone, settings, and then back around again, and they all have sub-menus. Got a little cubby up top here, and then you've got your display screen, and we can touch on there for the different options. So we can go into the audio, turn down the volume, and we're just gonna get in there into the sources, AM, FM, and Bluetooth. And then we have our settings. We can look through there and touch on different options. You can see it, Bluetooth again, your radio, general. You can touch on there and go in, change the language, the temperature by the different kilometers or miles or Celsius or Fahrenheit, that kind of thing, whatever you prefer. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ambient lighting, and you probably just heard the engine kick in here. And as well, when we put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see the backup camera view. So the green, yellow, red's just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles, center line, and off the back bumper there. I'm going to put us back into park, volume and tuner, and you can also adjust the volume on your steering wheel, hazard lights, and then you've got your vents here, and you've got the nice little orange accents. Fan, your digital readout, AC, max AC, and front defrost, and then down below USB, USB-C, and again these nice orange accents just makes it easy to see things. You can throw in your phone or whatever else you want to do, and your automatic shifter, electronic parking brake, and then you have your drive modes. So we've got normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport. So if your road conditions or your weather changes, you can adapt to that. You also have your traction control and your auto stops, your auto hold. And it's on right at the moment. I'm going to take it off. And so what that is if you're towing, or if you're on an incline, and this vehicle does have a trailer tow hitch, this keeps you in place. A couple of cup holders, little bin, another little bin. So again, easy to see stuff. And then you've got your armrest, that just opens up, lots of room in there. You've got your glove compartment off to the side, and manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black door handle, inside view mirror, driver's side fuel cap, Capless easy fuel gas filler, and the black handle extends to the tailgate. It's lockable just below the Ford badges where your backup camera is located, and you also have a trailer hitch as well as this nice tonneau cover. When you're ready to open it up, just pull the handle, and inside it's got tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage in the door as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back, and this is a bench seat. In the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. We're just going to pop that up, and then there's a tab on either end that you just pull, and you only need to pull one and it'll bring the whole thing up. You've got this nice storage underneath, and then just pull it again, it'll come down, and then pull the tab, and your armrest with your cup holders is there. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center USB, USB-C, plus the 120 volt. And you see that little indentation there, you can actually 3D print things like cup holders or a little table, whatever you want. So you can customize this vehicle. And there's handles and hooks, lighting up top, and in the back, access to a sliding window. Black bumper, 4-foot box with tonneau cover and box link, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.